crazy, insane story. We just arrived in an apartment that we rented in Vannes, Brittany, and the owner just told us that he found this tiles work of Roger Caprom, a friend of Picasso, which was hidden behind a wall before, and he was renovating the place to make a store and apartments above. And when he destroyed the old wall, he found that 5 meters long by 3 meters high, and it's not even known now. Nobody knows it yet, so far. But this major artwork was hidden behind a wall, and it has a crazy value. Basically, it's just insane story.